Hello friends, happy Saturday. I hope you all are having a good weekend so far. We just have some coffee in hand. It is very cold outside today. Texas is getting like a weird blizzard storm thing, and there's a lot of ice going on right now, and it's very, very cold. I think it's supposed to snow tomorrow, which will be very exciting. So we have a hot coffee this morning. Usually I do iced coffee, but I figured since it is so cold and gloomy outside, this fits the mood. We are doing another weekend vlog. I've been really enjoying these actually, like weekend vlogs, days in my lifestyle vlogs, because I feel like it's just very like laid back, chill. I don't feel very pressured to like always have my camera on me, where it's like I feel like day in the life vlogs or like daily vlogs, especially during like Vlogmas, you have to always have your camera on you or else you're not gonna get any content. And so I feel like doing like weekend vlogs where I'm filming like a Saturday and a Sunday or a few days a week, it's like if I don't have anything to film, it's just kind of like, cool, don't pick up my camera, and it's nice. So I've really been enjoying doing these. It is Valentine's Day weekend. We don't really have any plans. We do need to go to the grocery store tomorrow to get some food, so we'll probably just pick up some food while we're there and just cook something yummy and nice. We're not like huge Valentine's Day people. I do need to clean my house. My house isn't like dirty, but I just like need to clean it. I need to disinfect it. Like I always clean my house with like cleaners and everything, but I really need to like go through and like disinfect, maybe use some bleach, just like really like sanitize the area. It's good to do that every once in a while. My bathtub, she really needs a good clean down. It's kind of nasty. So definitely gonna be cleaning the bathtub today. And yeah, just hanging out for the weekend. Dagan is currently making breakfast. He's making French toast. Let's go see what he's up to. What you got, babe?
We out here making French toast.
Making French toast. We're using actually sourdough because that's really the only bread we have. So hopefully it'll taste okay. It smells delicious though. I'm excited to try it. Here, I'll show you guys outside. It is not too bad, just really icy right now. Okay folks, so change of plans. We are actually gonna go to the grocery store today because tomorrow apparently it's supposed to snow a lot from what the forecast is looking, so I'd rather just like not have to go out. I'm not worried about driving in the snow because we grew up in a town that snowed every winter and I had to like plow snow with my little pickup truck, so I'm used to it. What makes me nervous is other people who aren't used to snowy conditions and haven't driven in it, don't know what they're doing, and they still choose to go out. I'm afraid of people hitting me. I'm not afraid of driving in it. I think we're gonna go to the grocery store and get some stuff for the week before it gets bad. Wait, what did you just say?
Can I have my sweatshirt back?
Who else likes to wear their husband's clothes? Because for some reason, men's clothing and shirts are just way more comfortable than like women's. I love it. I think it's also like a sense of like, I don't know. For me, I wear Dagan stuff because I feel like comfortable and like secure. It's like my little safety blanket, his clothes. Is that weird? So I am just in the car right now. Dagan's actually back there getting his hair cut. We just left HEB and it's a madhouse in there. It's like the toilet paper crisis, only with food this time. There's surprisingly like lots of toilet paper and paper towels in the store. So basically there's supposed to be like a huge snowstorm this week in Texas. It's supposed to like snow or freeze rain a lot tomorrow, and then I think be cloudy for like a day or two and then snow again. And we're the part of Texas that we're at, they don't ever get snow. They don't ever freeze like this. So the town is not equipped to really handle this. Like they just don't really know what they're doing. So a lot of people are like freaking out, buying a bunch of food. Of course, Dag and I were used to this. We grew up in a snowy town. I actually was slightly panicking from what people were saying the roads were like, because it's supposed to snow tomorrow. We were like, you know, let's just go out and get the food today. So if it is really bad, we don't gotta worry about it. The roads were bare. There were some slick spots, but the roads were, they were pretty bare for the most part. You just have to like drive with caution and not be like swerving all over the road or like slamming on your brakes. But anyways, it was crazy in the store. There was some produce that was out. Like they were really low on like tomatoes, avocados. There was no eggs. We didn't get any eggs. Luckily I got some eggs at Target the other day. Oh, there was like no butter. We got this like random brand of butter. Bread was pretty much out except for like the super expensive kind. Just like necessities that people would like need, like milk, eggs, bread, that kind of stuff was pretty much out, and like everyone and their mother was at the store. That was not fun. It was a little bit of madhouse, but we got what we needed, and we're making food that we can have lots of leftovers for. So I'm like baking mac and cheese, we're making chili, taco soup, stuff like that, so that'll last us for a couple days. So I'm really not too worried about it. Anyways, just waiting for Dagan to get his hair cut, and then we're going to go home. Oh, it's cold. I can feel that from all the way over here. So we are back from the grocery store, and I'll show you guys kind of like what we got a little bit, do a little mini grocery haul. First of all, Dagan snuck these in. We got some lasagna. We're gonna do some lasagna this week. Dagan got these little like, they're tuna fish like snacks, but they're seasoned. So he said they're pretty good. So he got one in sriracha, roasted garlic, jalapeno. They were out of fresh sourdough, so we just got like the pre-made kind. This is just the Pepperidge Farm house sourdough. So hopefully it'll be good. Some more carb balanced tortillas. We got some chocolate strawberries for Valentine's Day. It's gonna be really hard for me not to crack into those tonight. Some limes for salsa, avocado. We got some tomatoes, like cilantro, stuff like that. Big thing of elbow macaroni for mac and cheese. Lots and lots of canned beans and tomatoes for like our chili and soup and all that. Some popcorn. Most importantly, we got some wine, especially when we stuck at home. Yeah, that's pretty much everything we got. Other stuff, we just got like condiments, chips, lots of canned stuff to make like meals throughout the week, to make like warm, yummy, home-cooked like crock pot meals. We are making steak for dinner. Dagan's gonna attempt to grill it, but our grill is kind of frozen, so I don't know how he's gonna get it open. But yeah, I think we're gonna do steak and like veggies for dinner tonight. So yeah, all right, we're gonna put all this stuff away and then I'll probably check back in with you guys later. It is time for dinner. Oh, that was bright. Dagan made some yummy steak and salad. Look at that, look at that. Mmm. Good morning, folks, and welcome to this winter icy vortex of Texas. It's currently 20 degrees outside, and there was some mist that came over, so the whole town is iced over, so that's cool. The roads are undrivable. I'm glad we got groceries yesterday because we probably would not have been able to go out because a lot of the roads are blocked off just because they're so iced over and they don't have anything to really put on the roads right now. It's supposed to start snowing later this evening. Hopefully it'll snow, so it'll make this whole thing worth it. But other than that, happy Valentine's Day. Cheers to you guys. I hope you're having a great day and it's much warmer wherever you are. So we're just going to eat some breakfast. I think Dagan's gonna make, babe, you're making me food, right? He's gonna make some breakfast. Just gonna drink my coffee, and then today I think I'm going to clean some of my house because it's kind of dirty. Alrighty, so I just finished getting ready. We put some makeup on so I don't look like a fetus as much. Curled my hair a little bit, and then I just have this sweatshirt on. This is actually like the most Valentine's Day-ish outfit that I own because we have our little heart right there. So now I'm just going to clean my beauty space because it really needs it. I know I've said it like 50 times already that I need to clean my house, but I need to clean my house. So that's what we're gonna do next.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Chancey said snow. He's like, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. He said snow, Bubby. He's like, can I come inside, please? Also, you guys, it is, as you could tell, officially snowing again. Hopefully we'll actually get some decent snow like last time. Maybe we can go for a walk. Ooh, come on, bubs. He's like, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. Also, for those of you that think I have a clean home all the time, this just goes to show that no, my house is not always clean.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
I saw a thing, it's like they should make a cooking show, but when the guy's trying to cook, it's just the wife standing in front of all the cabinets he needs to get into.
Hardy har har. Okay, so it is dinner time, and before we start cooking, first things first, some wine. Oh, I almost shut the Dagan's got the Cheddar Bay biscuits going on the cookie sheet. These are gonna be so yummy. And then we just got some water boiling, and we will be plopping our crab in here.
Oh, crap.
What? Ow! Why would you do that? Ow! Got that on camera, you ding-tard. So you just gotta sing the song if you know the song, okay? We're gonna do a TikTok. Alrighty, folks, dinner is served. We got our crab legs, some Cheddar Bay biscuits, lemon, butter with some garlic in it, and of course, wine. So we're gonna eat dinner, enjoy some time together, and then I'll check back in with you guys when we're done. Wait, what are you watching? Well, hello. Would you like some strawberries? Come here, my sweet little Valentine Schnookum Blossom. Happy Valentine's Day, Chancey. Such a good boy. Bone apple teeth. You're actually really good. Why is my camera not in focus? Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. We're gonna watch a movie. Shit. Dagan, you wanna say bye to the vlog?
Bye.
I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.